Hey guys, welcome to my channel Wiseman, and today we will see this Yantop wireless presentator. So we will see the unboxing and review of Yantop wireless presenter, right? So this is the unboxing. I quickly open it for you. So as you know, it is a 2.4 gigahertz PowerPoint clicker, right? You will get this in this kind of a box. This contains only presenter, which is a PowerPoint presenter, and a manual, right? So if you can see, the surface finish of this presenter is quite good. It is slim. You can say that it is kind of a good quality build. This is a manual. You can read it if you want, otherwise I will show you all the details, how to connect it and how to start it with it, right? So first thing, let's input a battery in that. So for that, you can see that on the back of this there is a battery. Like if you open this, so this is a battery where you can put it. So you can put it in this slot, kind of a battery slot, and it requires AAA battery, right? So you will need a AAA battery kind of like this, and you can put it, you can insert it on this back side as per the given directions for positive and negative terminal, and you know all this. So it is 2.4 gigahertz, which is quite good. It can make you to be used at 98 feet of range, right? So the range is 98 feet. You can use it, you can connect it, like you can just communicate with your laptop if you are standing 98 feet apart from the receiver, right? So this is the on off button, and this is the laser light pointer, where you can, if you click on this, you can see that over this is the light intensity, which is quite good, and I am showing you on this screen, so it can be visible easily on the screen, as you can see. Now let's connect it with my laptop. So this is the USB receiver which you need to connect in the USB slot of your laptop or your PC. So I'm connecting it, and if you connect it, you don't need to install any other third-party software. It just easily get connected. Now let me open a presentation to show you that how it will work, what is the smoothness, how it will work. So this is a presentation. I am going into the presentator mode, and now as you can see, on the top, on the bottom, we have this forward and backward button. So this is the forward button, and this is the light which you can see on the screen. This is the forward button, which is downward. This is the reverse button, or you can say the previous button, so for going slide up, right? So that's all for this video. This is the on off button, and I hope you will like it. Thank you, and subscribe my channel Wiseman.